and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Yasin Bhatkal's father used to distribute money at Baina, had tussle with locals on many occasions. Bhatkal and associates ran cloth business. Locals speak out. Prudent's exclusive. Restriction on unstarred questions. Vijay says opposition leader and government hand in glove. Alex says decision undemocratic. Speaker says nothing new. Minister Alina Saldana strongly pitches for special status for Goa. Says Goa will get it only if BJP comes to power at centre. Will resign if government denies. Vijay Sardesai terms flag hoisting clause issue in Lusophonia just an eyewash to cover up infrastructure failure. Says Sports Minister's statement on Lusophonia is misguiding. Salgaonkar Football Club open I-League in style. Duffy's goal shocks defending champions Churchill Brothers. Now the news in detail. Prudent's Ground Zero report on Yasin Bhatkal and his Goa connection has unearthed more skeletons. Yasin Bhatkal's father, accompanied with folks from Bhatkal, used to distribute money at Baina. He has also picked up quarrels on many occasions when he was countered by the local youth. Even the cloth business mentioned by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has direct links with Yasin Bhatkal. People from Vasco themselves are confirming many facts. Prudent's exclusive report.
Yasin Bhatkal alias Mohammad Zawar along with few locals from Bhatkal and Arabs had visited Shafi Masjid at Baina last July. Miki Pacheco had raised this query in the State Assembly, to which CM had replied saying that it was not Yasin Bhatkal but it was a case of mistaken identity. Now, the youth from Kate Baina near Shafi Masjid confirmed that it was Yasin's father who used to distribute money.
भटकालाचो चेडो तेजे वांगडा आनी भुरगे आसले यंग आरबी आसले 3-4 गाडी घेवन ते मस्जिदाच्या फाटल्यान जे घर आहा थिंगा येल्ले ते तेन्ना आमकां कोणी सांगले की अशे लोक येला तेन्ना आमी येवन घराराक थांबयले ते सगळ्या लोकांक थांबयले तुमी हांगा कित्याक येता तुमी कोणा पयशे दिता कितें दिता हेंचे कितें चलता तेन्ना ते आमचे कडेन उलोवपाक रावूंक ना तेन्ना आमी काडून पुलिसीक सांगले डायरेक्ट की तेंचे अशें चलता हेंचेर कितें तरी इन्क्वायरी करची.
Zarar and local youth clashed on many occasions. Youth sought explanation from Zarar behind distributing money and source of the money.
भायल्यान पयशे येताले ते शिवरांचे आमी तेका विचारले जराराक की तूं हिंगा पयशे हाडटा कित्याक दिता तूं कितें तेंचे कडेन रिसीप्ट घेता तूं कितें लिगल दिता ते कांय उलोवपाक रावूंक ना तेणें आमचे कडेन.
हांगा भटकालाचे कोण कोण येताले?
भटकाल तेजे वांगडा जायते नांवान सारको एक्झॅक्ट वळखना पूण जायते लोक येताले.
Chief Minister's reply in assembly was based on police report. How come police report did not highlight the facts to the Home Minister? Now, local leaders say that the cloth business belongs to people connected with Yasin Bhatkal.
असो इश्यू जाल्लो की जो भटकल म्हणटा तो हो एक टेररिस्ट अशें म्हणटाले. सेकंड थिंग म्हणटा ते तेजो जो भटकल म्हणटा तेजो बापूय जो आसलेलो तो व्हेरी आमकां तेजे बद्दल खबर ना पण थंयचे लोक सांगतात तो एक क्लॉथ मर्चंट असो मनीस आसलो की एक कपड्याची बॅग अशी आपल्या खांद्यार घेवन भोंवतालो आनी डोर टू डोर अशें तो विकतालो आनी अशें आयकूंक येयला की तो तेजो चलो आसलेलो म्हणून.
The suspicious people who used to visit the masjid, information about missing youth from the area was reported to Goa police at the very instance, but nothing happened. This raises few very serious questions. Why did the police brief Home Minister wrongly? Who confirmed the mistaken identity claim? Did anyone probe the Arabs who used to visit with Yasin's father? Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Fathodata MLA Vijay Sardesai has condemned the restrictions put by Legislature Department on unstarred questions. Sardesai has termed this decision as undemocratic and unjustified. He has also blamed the opposition leader for backing unjust decision. Congress MLA Alish Regional terms it as government's double standards. Speaker Rajendra Arlekar says rule isn't a new one, it was not enforced.
A MLA will now be able to ask maximum of 15 unstarred and 3 starred questions a day. It's Speaker's rule now. MLAs from opposition are annoyed. They call the decision undemocratic.
A decision undemocratic, unjustified, आणि लोकांचे इश्यूज गोंयचे आनी गोंयकारांचे इश्यूज असेंब्लीन रेज जावचे न्ही म्हणून हें डिसिजन घेतिल्लें आसा. आमच्या ओपोजिशन लिडरांनी बी एग्री केल्लें आहा. सो हातून क्लियर कट दिसता की एक फिक्सिंग जाल्लें आहा म्हणून. Opposition is supposed to contest, not concede the stand of the government.
And I think our role should be that we should ask the maximum number of questions. What is that you are doing? In fact, I will raise the issue and I will tell him that he has connived to do these things and see that it is restored to whatever it was. Let any member put the number of questions he wants. I have already put my views. And I have told him that we require more questions to be answered. This is not today. I have told him, not today. I mean, because you have come to me. I have raised it on the first day itself. And even last time I had told them that we will not follow it. And not 15 questions. 15 questions is out of the question.
म्हाका पयली एक गोष्ट कळूंक ना की आमदारांनी हे तक्रारी भायर कित्याक करपाक जाय काय. तांचे जे अशा पद्दतीचे काही प्रश्न आसात ते तांच्यांनी विधानसभेकडे विधानसभेच्या सभापतीकडे करपाचे असतात. विधानसभेचो सभापती तांच्या प्रश्नांचे निराकरण करतो. दुसरें प्रश्नांचे रिस्ट्रिक्शन सभापतीन घालूंक ना ते. फाटल्या विधानसभेच्या वेळा पासून ती बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटी आसा तांणीच तो डिसिजन घेतिल्लो आसा.
A reporter Mahesh Ghadi with Sameer Bhatt from Madgaon and Vivek Prabhu from Ponda.
Goa will get special status only if BJP comes to power at centre. BJP MLA Alina Saldana has urged people to vote for BJP during Lok Sabha poll. But she has also warned to resign if BJP fails to award special status once it comes to power at the centre. Alina Saldana blamed Congress for dilly-dallying special status issue all these years. She was addressing Goa's movement for special status meet in Panji.
At the next election, this is not a campaign speech. But I request you to vote for a government that is in Goa at the centre, because that is the government that will give us special status. And if the BJP comes to at the centre, I stake my, what should I say? Okay, I'll resign if they don't give us special status.
During the public meeting, Minister Alina Saldana came down heavily on Congress party for keeping the Goa's special status issue on the back burner. She has appealed Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to fulfill their promise of special status to the Goans.
So I want to remind Mrs. Sonia Gandhi and I want to remind the Prime Minister of our country not to forget this promise made by the President of the Congress Party. And I also want to remind the Congress Party. So we also appeal to the Prime Minister to remember the promise made by the first Congress Prime Minister.
Goa's movement for special status will convene a series of public meetings in the state in the next few days. Later, a delegation will move to Delhi to press their demand of special status. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.